Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the TV model and platform so you know which menu paths apply. Once done, make sure the remote is working, the TV is online, and your Google account is ready if needed. Press Home, then go straight to Settings and select Apps or Applications. This begins the removal sequence. You do this because some Sony TVs restrict app removal depending on account state and platform. Getting here now avoids backtracking later. Now you locate YouTube in the installed apps list and choose Uninstall when available. This removes the app cleanly. If Uninstall is grayed out, clear cache and data, then force stop. This resets app state so removal or disabling can succeed. Alternatively, open Google Play Store on the TV, find YouTube, and uninstall updates or disable there. This prevents automatic restore. You do this because factory or system apps often finish by rebooting the TV to apply changes and free any locked resources. A simple power cycle often completes the uninstall. If YouTube still appears, use parental controls or the hide app option, and as a last resort, perform a factory reset. Only do that after backing up settings. If things go wrong, check for pending system updates, repeat the clear data step, and contact Sony support if the app is a pre-installed system app. This sequence prevents accidental loss of other apps and settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.